Okay, what I wanted to talk to you in this video is about calories. Now, there's no myth around calories. You know, there's nothing wrong with calorie counting. It's just that we don't want to be continuously doing it for the rest of our lives. What we want to be doing is understanding the basics, okay? Now, not all calories are equal. So say, for example, if you ate 5 Mars bars a day, you still probably will stay under your calorie range to drop weight. But the thing is, you're going to feel terrible. So I know that's a really over-exaggerated point, or not over-exaggerated point, but an over-exaggerated example. But the point I'm trying to make is, once you start understanding things like fats and sugars on a deeper level, you know, not all fats are bad. Don't go for no fat foods like yogurts and things like that. Just because they've got no fat in, it's going to be full of sugar and probably highly processed. So the good fats are obviously the monounsaturates, the polyunsaturates, and the medium chain fats, saturated fats, things like you find in coconut oil. Now, these are all great for fat burning. They actually teach your body to burn fat. Also fish oil, so a really good fish oil supplement, omega-3. I wouldn't go for a basic fish oil, go for an omega-3, a high potency omega-3. It's going to actually switch on your fat burning genes and actually switch off the fat storing genes as well in your body. So these are all great fats to have because they teach your body to burn more fat. Okay, the reason why people are quite scared of fats is because a lot of the fats you eat, your body finds really difficult to break down. Things you find in processed foods like trans fats, you know, they're so difficult to break down. Your body doesn't recognize them as food. It doesn't know what to do with them. It stores them as energy. It's just like an absolute minefield when it comes to stuff like that. But really good fats like olive oil, olives, salmon, all these great fishes like mackerel and sardines and stuff like that. Eat these things because they're so good for you, full of really good fats. What I would say is calories, you know, sticking to a calorie range is still really important. Normally something like 1400 I would advise on this program. You know, I wouldn't over obsess counting the calories, but maybe do it for a few days. Use an app called MyFitnessPal just to track your calories and just get an idea for how much you should be eating. And the beauty of this meal plan, the beauty of this program is that you will naturally just stop eating before you hit 1400 anyway. You know, the likelihood of you eating the way I'm telling you to eat and wanting to eat more is very unlikely because basically your body, it has a need for nutrition. It doesn't have a need for food. When you're constantly eating bad foods, your body's craving nutrients, so it keeps looking for more of that food to get those tiny little bit of nutrients in that crap food you're eating, okay? That's why you carry on eating bad food. When you eat naturally and you eat organically and you eat fresh, your body's not looking for this massive nutrients anymore, so it's okay with it. What I would say as well is drink lots of water because that'll make you actually feel a little bit more full. And yeah, so stick with that. I'm gonna go into the next video now, so hope you get a lot out of that one.